Welcome to HousieStar. HousieStar is a platform that lets you organize your housey game at any scale by handling ticket generation. HousieStar also helps you manage the game using the dashboard. More on that later. Type HousieStar.com on your browser and a page like this opens. Go to the bottom. Now we need to register you as the organizer of the game. So go to the bottom. There's a link. Click here to register. Click on this link and this page will open. Now you need to enter basic information, some basic information about you, your business here. So first we start with the mail ID, which will be used for login also. So I'll enter my mail ID. .com. Okay, now the company name. If you don't have a company name, you can put your personal name also. So let's say I say ABC company. Contact person name, so I put Samir Desai. The mobile number and the captcha 47585. The moment I put the captcha, this submit button is enabled. Now I can click the submit button. 98210488866. That's the check there. So I click the submit and it says congratulations, you are not registered, you are now registered. Check your email for login password. Now I check my mail and you see that I have received a mail from HousieStar saying that the account is created. So I click and open the account, the mail, and you see my login ID here, which is my mail ID, and the password 642073. Now with this information I can open my Housie login. So I go to HousieStar, come here on the top right corner, login, click on login, and now I need the password and the mail ID. So I enter my mail ID and the password, which is 74207. Sorry, I just copy paste, I'm a little lazy. So Control V here, I enter the password and here opens the dashboard. Now this is the Google thing, which we can always say never. It's asking me whether I want to save the password. You can do that, you can save. I say never here. Now I have the organization name which I had entered. This is the basic information here. This is blank, there are 3 blank spaces, and you see there's a link here, there's a QR code. Fine, we'll come back to that later. First we have to enter the game name and the date and all that basic information for the game. So I click here, edit information, this button, and again it shows me the same information that I had entered, but here you see it's asking me to change the login password, which I can. For now I will not. Event name, what would I call this game? Let me say Bumper Housie. Okay, I'll call the game Bumper Housie because this will be shown on the ticket, this particular name. The phone number, now this phone number is the one which people will call when they finish a particular milestone. Like if they finish Jaldi 5 or top line or bottom line or full house, whatever, they're supposed to contact you. So let's see what number I put. I put my other mobile number 8692901234. Okay, and then the game date and time. Like here you're going to set like when you're going to play the game for the people to attend to. So I say Feb 14th 2025 and the time of course, because they need to be there when you play the game, when you conduct the game. So on 14th February at 6 p.m. that's what we are saying. This will be shown on the ticket again, this information. Software API key not needed now, I'll put 123 for now. And here we need to have the rules, like whatever rules for the game, like the kind of prizes you will be giving and how they're supposed to claim the prize and how they're going to connect with you. All these informations have to be put in black and white initially before the game starts, so there's no dispute. So here you're going to put this, and this will be shown as a link on the ticket. When they book the ticket, there'll be a link shown which they can click and check the rules for themselves and say okay to it. They agree to the rules. Fine, but you need to inform them all your rules in advance, your terms and conditions. So this is where you put it. Then there will be some information you need to show on the ticket, so that like all the best or whatever you want to put, maybe some instruction, call this number when you finish your housie, full house or whatever, that you can put here. Then comes the identifier. Obviously the first identifier will be the name. Second is a drop down. Second is can be any information that you want. Third is a drop down. Second can be like your Aadhaar card or your college ID or whatever, some information, some proof that you want that person is really that person. So let's say Aadhaar number. We'll ask for the Aadhaar number. So when they win, you can check the Aadhaar number and give it to them, the prize. Fine. Third is the drop down. It can be like area, or it can be male or female. It can be the age, like 10 to 20, 20 plus or 40 plus, whatever it is. You can set that. For now I am putting area. And similarly another drop down you can have. For now I leave it blank. It can be some other thing, you can some other variable you can think of. Now what this does, like here I put area, is that it demarcates the players for me. It categorizes the player for me, that this person is from this area, this person is from this area. It helps me for my analysis. Okay, once I'm through, I'll just click on save, and I have this information here. Now I can this if you see this is my part of the link. This is the full link that I'm supposed to give to the people to book the tickets. Now if I do a test link, it will not allow me to generate a ticket because I have not yet allowed the booking. So what I do is click here. Now I can actually go and check the link, but before that I need to do little more things, like one is come to the right side. I need to enter the areas that I said drop down one is area, so I need to enter the area, right? Areas. So I click here view. There are no areas defined yet, so I say add new. Let's say I say Santa Cruz West as one area. Coordinator there is Ramesh. I say okay. Santa Cruz West, Ramesh. Remarks can be blank, not an issue. Next area, I say Andheri West, and I say coordinator who is Rupesh. Remark again I can leave it blank. And the third area, let's say Chembur. Coordinator is Rajesh. I think all ours, right? Fine. Rajesh, Rupesh, Ramesh. Okay, so you can add more areas. So for now I have 3. Then I come home. Drop down 2 is not set. I don't want it. Prizes. Now I click here and set the prizes for this particular game, for the game that I'm going to conduct on 14th February. So I have Jaldi 5, top line, middle line, bottom line, full house. That's it. Okay, I say update prizes, and then I come back. You see here 5 prizes. Fine. Players will have data of the players after they book the ticket. Currently no one has started booking it, so there are no players there. And at the same time, even with the tickets, there are no tickets now because no one has started booking. Then we come have a look at the game dashboard. This is the place where the action will happen once the game starts. I'll cover that in the next video. For now, you have understood how to enter the basic information for the game, how to set up the drop down areas in this case, how to set the prizes, and that's it. In the next video I am going to show you how a ticket can be booked and how the game goes on, once you start the game, how you handle the dashboard and the game goes on and the players claim prizes. All those things will be shown in the next video. Thank you.